Is the UV grip from SUPCASE going to be worth it for the new Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let's find out. If you take a look on the back here, you do get full camera lens protection because you do have that popped out piece right here. You can tell that it is hanging over those camera lenses so that if you do drop your phone facing downward on the camera lenses, it's going to hit that piece instead of the actual lenses, so it's going to protect them. If you look around the case, you do get bumpers or airbags at each corner, top and bottom, and those are going to be great for shock absorption because if you do drop your phone on the sides or the ends of the case and it hits one of those corners, it's going to absorb all the shock. Now, if you flip it over to the front side, you also do get a fully built-in tempered glass screen protector. That covers that whole entire area, so if you do drop your phone on that side, you don't have to worry. You have all the protection that you need. Now, moving on to the convenient features of the case, on the back, you also do get a MagSafe ring. If you look in the middle here, there is going to be a spine piece, and not only does that protect the spine of your phone, but it also does move with it as you unfold and fold it. And when you do unfold your phone, it does snap into place, so you don't have to worry about it going back and forth. And on the bottom of that spine piece, you can also notice that there is a flip out kickstand, so all you have to do is just flip that out. You get your vertical viewing and also your horizontal viewing as well. But overall, if you are looking for a case for your new Galaxy Z Fold 7, I definitely would recommend this one. Definitely going to come in handy and keep your phone protected.